Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
continental rep where Biafra land is. And Soludo said that he's working with some people. He's working with IPOB. And of course, he's not working with me. So I was asking, because I know that there are some people that present themselves that they are IPOB. And after a while, some people came ranting and insulting me, saying that I am going against the leadership. Why? Because I was exposing the activities of Soludo. Some of you do not know what Soludo have done. Why is it that you don't know what Soludo have done? It is because of these rodents that Soludo have amongst us. These rodents that are on his payroll. That all they do is to promote what he does. And when he does evil, they will not talk about it. Or they will just say a little thing about it and it's done. Soludo has done more evil to the indigenous people of Biafra than any other governor in Biafra land. You saw the way initially all of us thought Wike was in good terms with IPOB. But look at what Wike did. And look at the reaction of our leader. What Wike did at Obigbo, Soludo have done much more than that in Anambra State. But some people are afraid to talk about it. And some people, because they are on the payroll of Soludo, they will rather not talk about it. I know the first time when I started exposing the activities of Soludo, some people were against me. They were like, oh, he's a nice man, he's our man. Soludo came to power, he has not even settled in power. He started talking about ESN. Soludo that some of you are saying, oh, he's going to build mega city, he's going to build this, he's going to build that. All Soludo is interested in is how to dismantle IPOB in Anambra State. Soludo will attack Eastern Security Network. He will say he's attacking criminals. Soludo will be there and declare that everyone found in the bush is a criminal. And he will be going to attack the Eastern Security Network. In case you don't know, many of the camps are all gone in Anambra State. And when those from Sahel come, you think Soludo will be there to defend our land? Of course, Soludo will not be there to defend our land. Soludo is opening our land much more. Opening our land much more to the destruction of the enemies. But it's not going to succeed. And because he has some people that he's paying, he has some people that are working for him. And when you talk, they want to put you under, they want to intimidate you and say, we are the people. You can imagine, I made certain statements. Nobody from the leadership of IPOB have questioned the statement I made or say that what I said was wrong or anything. It is people that are not from the leadership that are saying that I am going against the leadership. The same leadership I'm a member of. Then I'm going against the leadership. And they are going about insulting me. Till today, they are still insulting me. I didn't come here to look at the faces of men. I am not Saul. I came here to teach the truth. I came here to teach the truth and nothing but the truth. Because that's exactly what I heard Mazen Amdekano say. He said, by the truth, Biafra shall be restored. He said, we shall destroy the zoo with the truth. We shall destroy the zoo with the truth. There's something you have to understand. Anybody that falls out of IPOB is out. If you fall out of IPOB, you are falling out. But if you are in IPOB, you must be ready to follow the modus operandi. And the modus operandi is number one, the truth. Number two, you must call a spade a spade. Soludo is a very huge problem. You see, Hope Uzodinma was not successful in Imo State. Everybody knew that he was a problem. But when Soludo came and started paying some people, started penetrating, planting rodents, Hope Uzodinma has become very, very successful in fighting against the Eastern Security Network, in fighting against those that are defending our land. But at the end of the day, they shall all fail. At the end of the day, they shall all fail. It doesn't matter how many people that you kill. Provided there is still a man, provided there is still a woman, provided there is still a boy, provided there is still a girl in Biafra land, Biafra will be free. It doesn't matter the number of strong men that you kill. Biafra land do not lack strong men. There will still be strong men in Biafra land that will restore Biafra. It doesn't matter the number of people that you kill. It doesn't matter how long the strength of your treachery is. Biafra will still be restored. And what you must know is that if your hands are clean, if your hands are clean and your heart is pure, continue doing what you're doing. If you know that what you're doing is the truth, continue doing what you're doing. Because if you're on the wrong path and you know you're on the wrong path, Biafra land will swallow you. If you are in Biafra land. And the spirit of Biafra will get to you wherever you are. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter what you do. The spirit of Biafra will definitely get to you. At this juncture, I'm going to open the lines. And the message continues. If you have calls, if you want to call us, you can call us on Signal. You can call us on WhatsApp. And you can call us on Skype. A minute. The lines are open. If you have the lines, you can call. It is very important that our people take notes that anyone that defends a politician that is killing you is not your friend. Anyone that blackmails those that are trying to expose the evil politicians in our land is not your friend. Anyone that protects the evil politicians in our land or directly is not your friend. Hello, good morning. Okay. That was a caller from WhatsApp. Your name and where you calling from? Hello, are you there?
The lines are open.
Yes.
If you have the lines, you can call.
Please put down the volume of your radio sets.
Very important.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning and welcome to.
Hello.
Good morning and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Is there a problem? Hello, good morning and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name and where you're calling from, and please, you have 3 minutes for your contribution.
Thank you very much, my African rep. My name is Occasion. Firstly, I would like to apologize on behalf of IPOB Media Warriors for interpretation of your post and the reason behind those posts. I think our people were so emotional in losing one like you to the infiltrators. So very, very sorry. And I want to propose something in regards to some of the comments you made concerning what is happening and how dangerous Soludo is in Anambra State. I would like our media head, which is Mazi Chukwudi or former, to regulate some of our IPOB media warriors, the broadcasters. I don't know names, but one of the media warriors that gave to security and how to fight security numbers. And that speech, his broadcast was so powerful. I tried to stop because it's definitely going to backfire to us at the end of the day. Regards to security, or let's say regards to how to defend or fight security, I think our IPOB media warriors needs to limit what they say on social media, because you being outside the country, you have more exposure and you have more experience than inside the zoo. Thank you so much, Mark and Rep. This is my contribution for today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And just to add, some of the people that picked up my post and started fighting me, some of them is not today they have been doing that. That is why I know that they do not mean well for this movement. It's not today they have been purposely misinterpreting whatever I say and try to use it against me. The hatred has been there for long. I do not know why. You know, some of our people who have very, very, very bad issues with themselves. You just hate a man that did not to you. That is just Biafra. What am I going to be doing with some people? I'm a very quiet person. I'll just stay quietly and stay where I am. But because Biafra must be restored, that's why we are here. We're not here to look at people's faces. Hello, good morning, and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name and where you calling from?
Mazi Terimani, I'm Mazi Uzochukwu. Thank you. This morning I had all your say. I have all your messages. To be honest and frank, the father of Europe, of course, you know.
Yeah.
Now, the topic this morning talks about rodent. You see, if you remember very well, 3 days, Soludo was sworn in. After 3 days, he was sworn in. He traveled to Abuja, telling us that he went there to meet the Anambarians in Abuja. At the end of the day, there was a picture that came out. That picture contains Catherine line with so many other economic bandits. I should call them economic bandits.
Exactly.
Later, economic bandits, those men, 3 days after he was sworn in, he traveled to Abuja. He went to meet Catherine line. And on that picture, you see there, I'm having the picture. Took picture with the economic bandits and then came back to Anambra. After some time again, the woman came to Anambra again. The issue there is anybody that becomes governor or president is selected from number 10 down in seat. That is the whole thing. That is the thing you have to understand. They are just like administrator. Once they get into power, they are doing another thing. They are doing the bid of their master. Let me tell you, to be honest and candid, Soludo win that election. Soludo was awarded that election for him to be used to doing what he's doing now. Take it or leave it. But at the end, Biafra must come, no matter what they do. Because as far as I'm concerned, I'm into the struggle. I know that Biafra will eventually come. Kill Ojukwu, they thought Biafra will go. Mind you, Ojukwu died in the hand of this idiot that they are using now. It was all arranged. This particular fellow is campaigning all around. Ojukwu under his watch. Think about that. The same man is coming again when Nandikanu is starting about issue of Biafra again. So you can see that something is fishing somewhere. We may be the death of Ojukwu in the hand of this particular man, if that is not taken, is an agent of devil. The issue is that Biafra will eventually come, whether they like it or not. Whether they like it, no matter the amount of game they are playing, they are just wasting their God-given time. They are just wasting their time. Don't bother yourself. We know there is rodent everywhere. But at the end, Biafra will come. And we will see Biafra in our lifetime. It will not be a long fight. A fight them. The war is spiritual, not even physical. If you know how to call the God of ancestors, directing your prayer towards this particular economic bandits, God will eventually destroy them, eventually, because the destruction is staring on their face. The destruction is staring on their face. They know it. They want to accommodate our agitation. They are very independent with the people. It cannot work. At the end of the day, they will destroy themselves. They have already started preparing how to blame people in case it making that problem here and there. But they will all fail. Biafra will eventually come because God has ordained Biafra to come. Biafra will eventually come. So don't mind those people that are being used to make noise everywhere. I have listened to you. I'm an elderly man. Each person, when he talks, I listen in depth. I'm one of those that goes with critical thinking. I'm with critical thinking. I hear a man's voice, I begin to decode the man's voice. I know what is inside him. I know you are an honest man, very, very honest, dedicated to this particular struggle. So don't mind those people. You don't even need to talk too much. Keep doing what you are. I will call you and that in the street of Biafra. May God bless you abundantly. Take care.
Thank you very
Bye-bye.
much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Hello, good morning and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name and where you calling from?
Good morning, great man. My African ref.
Good morning, my brother.
May God Almighty continue to bless you.
You see? You see?
African ref, can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
African ref, you are a spiritual man. You are a spiritual man. Do you know why?
Tell me.
Exactly what you preach this morning is what I'm battling with a lot of people. Are you hearing me?
Of course, I can
Exactly
hear you.
what it is this morning. I even told the person that this man that you are talking about now, is a man that if I'm not mistaken, 7 or 8 years ago or thereabout, this man used to enter canoe with a group of people going to River area, going to many places, crossing before he can become one post to I think either media head in Lagos or in the West. I don't know whether in Lagos or West. I still try to analyze the whole thing about you to that person. I'm telling you before the person can't believe me. So I told them that this struggle, you have started this struggle a long time ago. You never even get any position on this very particular struggle before you started before you started doing what you are doing. So in a nutshell, you see, all your preaching this morning touches me. Why it touches me is that you see this Soludo, his children that are listening to this Radio Biafra, his children, I see how his father is killing a lot of people in Anambra State. His children, you see how Soludo is the worst more than this P2B because all of them that are working hand to hand. P2B is a killer. Soludo is a killer. But all his children is listening and seeing how this people are slaughtering Anambra people, are slaughtering Biafra. You see Soludo, he made just like what you said, when this man came to power, he never reached 4 days, he went to England. When he came back, he used the same statement this criminal P2B used by saying that shoot aside. So he don't say to make that kind of statement say shoot aside. He can't use the issue of anybody you kill, call a criminal. That's what is happening today. Anybody that you kill, call a criminal. That's what the system Soludo changed from that shoot aside P2B to Anambra State. Then he won't know that anybody you kill, call a criminal. Exactly. What is happening today? Exactly. You see that man? That is a particular Soludo. So that's what Soludo is evil man. Soludo is worse than even Wike can have romance or some certain things. You see, Soludo is a silent killer. Before this man came to power, before this useless Soludo come to power, do you know that this man stole a lot in Nigeria? And now look at a lot of things. So you never hear anything. Do you see this man is the man that any government come to power, he must head one committee or the other. Either committee of economic something, you know. He must head one committee or the other. To see that this man has started the wrong way with Fulani, it's just like this very particular Biafra now. How can you tell me that somebody that has people in mind went to North to go and swear allegiance to person that killed about more than 5 million people? He did not go to Juku's grave. You don't go to many important people in the Eastern region grave to pray. You went to Sokoto. Look at how the useless man is ranting up and down on social media. Want to become president without a leader coming to fears of everybody. Can this useless man P2B come out now and say he want to become president in Nigeria? They forgot. Terrorists for not even slaughter him for a long time ago. What did even give him mandate because of issue of this Biafra state? That's why this idiot called P2B is just jump up and down. He has no power. He has nothing. He has nothing. He want to use the blood of our people that are killing for many years now to become president. If otherwise, somebody become president whereby his people did not support him, how many governors supported him? How many House of Assembly supported him? All those people that is ranting up and down, people that ranting up and down on social media, and some people that ranting up and down on social media, those people now we come back and be shame of themselves because P2B is going nowhere.
Yeah, Mazi.
Africa, please, I beg you. I beg you, please, don't relent their efforts. They are nothing more. They are just envious to your position. May God continue to bless you. Oh, hey, Biafra. Our leader is going to come out.
You see?
Have a nice day, my brother.
You too. Hello, good morning and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name and where you're calling from, and please, you have 3 minutes for your contribution.
Okay, sir. My Africa rep. My Africa coach Kabiama. They don't for me them. They can hate you. They want to hate us. because we are the children of Chukwukabiam, the God of heaven and earth. That is why the world wants to kill us and take our land. Therefore, those idiots that want to use IPOP to do business, don't allow them to distract us. IPOP is ordained, and the Afro project is the value ordained from Chukwu. There is not any human being on this planet. If you like, go, where will you run to? We are seeing disaster coming before thinking that we are safe. Peter will stop himself, don't even know what is coming to him. The Biafrans, I hope. Private jet, but we everywhere. All of us, we perish at the same time. You see this Biafra land. What is about to know that there is a God that owns this world? That, imagine all the governors, all the leaders, all the religious leaders here in Biafra land killing us with the help of our enemies to destroy, to make sure that we die finish. So our land. And you are still there. Take it that you are saying. Then the chicken doesn't tell the chicken, oh, then the chicken, my election is going to shut. Let them die. Let the Fulani done. Let Fulani not release our leader. Then the chicken doesn't. This Fulani, our leader, is the IPOP leader. The owner of the people of Biafra, our leader. Commander chief. Government, you didn't have the color we had. I don't make a question. Let the chicken doesn't know. Let the chicken so. Oh, yes, to say to you. Then the chicken doesn't. Let me leave. Ask our Shawa. Then the chicken come and seems like that. I couldn't say 133. Psalm 133 from verse 1 to end. In praise of living in peace. We are Biafra, we are peaceful people. Let us unite to get children of Chukwuka. As whiter than smaller than the devil. And you could be again. You got to get the chicken dozen. You got to get the cano. Ah, the chicken dozen. Chukota seems to come and I Jeremiah chapter 4 and the chapter 13. Jeremiah chapter 4 and call to repentance and the chapter 13. First prophet there. I the bishop IPOP when they joke, Jesus Christ. When you are anywhere you are on this earth as a Biafra, just swear with this land. Say Igbo people they be other name Jesus Christ. Make it a living as simple as that. I offer them the Calimere China. The Nigeria will complete 419 in the here are all of them now thieves. I saw Britain get their pipe for our land here. Take and reach their comfortable, they build the plan. Now we there they suffer. Now we there they drive for car, they drive they carry they take them. People letter were common and poor now. How many people life fair? Okay, that the car on the franga. After the dead, I born not Nigeria dad. I now boy there for land. I now do Bokara make a body shot of that place. I take over the land. The earth is created by our God. Then the time. Okay, but we're follow them because the man the Marufa like the motor never funny. Can I put that one can one of them can't jump on the like you like a push. I'm at a song with I think you when I put me in it. The chicken doesn't move the one. My governor no langa there's honey let's check with Maya. Aladi chenga we don't say nanti na ni ta can you ewe kwambula to busha na eke lori na afọ na mkwo ya oje omena lo mu chiko ta ba ga dere na Africa that allowed them to distract you. Oh, Biafra France.
Biafra will heal thee. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We must continue.
My word. That brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.